Hello students, today I will be teaching you LCM. The full form of LCM is lowest common multiple. There are three ways we will be deriving LCM. The first one is multiple method, second one is prime factorization method, and third one is division method. So first I will be doing with multiple method. So in factors on multiples video, you have to go to factors on multiples video of mine, then you will be understanding how I have got that. So you find out the multiples of 24. You need to do the table of 24, 48 and 72 so that you will be getting the multiples of all these numbers. So 24 1 ja 24, 24 2 ja 48, 72, 24 4 ja 96, 24 5 ja 120, 24 6 ja 144, 24 7 ja 168. Keep on doing it. You need to keep on doing all these things. 48 1 ja 48, 48 2 ja 96, 48 3 ja 144, 48 4 ja 192, 48 5 ja 240. Like this you need to do. Likewise 72 1 ja 72, 72 2 ja 144, 72 3 ja 216, 72 4 ja 288, 72 5 ja 360. Like this you need to do. Now you need to find out common multiples. Common multiples. See, what are the multiples? What are the numbers which are common to them? The first number which is common is in this 72 and in this 72 is there. But in 48 there is no 72. So what you need to do? You need to search for the first number which is common. In this 144 is there. 144 is there and 144 is there. So you need to write 144. Now in this way you need to find out other multiples also, other common multiples. I don't need to find out other common multiples because I have got the first one and I needed to find the lowest one. This is the lowest one. In other numbers you will be getting so many common multiples, but in this, as I have done up to 6 and 7, so I have got only one common multiple, but in another number you will be getting so many numbers, so many common multiples. So the lowest among them will be LCM. Suppose in this 288 is there. Suppose 288 is there. After that 432 is there. These are the common multiples. You will be, if you will keep on multiplying 24, 48, 72, you will keep on getting these type of numbers. So among them 144 is the lowest one. So LCM is what? LCM is lowest common multiple. Among these three, which one is the lowest one? The 144 is the lowest one. So this is the LCM. And I have got this LCM through multiple method. Now come to prime factorization method. How are we finding out? 24 ka divided by prime numbers. The lowest prime number is 2. 2 12 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 3 ja, and you keep on dividing it until and unless you will be getting 1. And you need to divide it by prime numbers only. So what are the numbers you have got? 3 times 2 and 1 times 3. So you need to write like this. And you have to cross check whether you have done correctly or not. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. Another way, 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24. 48. 2 24 ja, 2 12 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 3 ja, 3 1 ja. So how many times? 4 times 2 and 1 time 3. The same way you need to find out 72. 2 36 ja, 2 18 ja, 2 9 ja, 3 3 ja, and 3 1 ja. You have got 1, don't need to do anything. So 3 times 2 and 2 times 3. I did. Now I needed to find out LCM. LCM, how you will be finding out? Maximum number of times a particular number has appeared in these three. 2 has appeared three times. 2 has appeared 4 times. 2 has appeared 3 times. So what is the maximum number of times 2 has appeared? So 2 has appeared 4 times. So the maximum number of times which it has appeared, you needed to write that one. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 3 has appeared 1 time. 3 has appeared 1 time. And in this 3 has appeared 2 times. So you needed to write the maximum number of times. 3 into 3. Now multiply this. You don't have any other number. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 3 ja 48, 48 3 ja 144. Cross check it whether you have done correctly or not. 3 3 ja 9, 2 ja 18, 2 ja 36, 2 ja 72, 2 ja 144. These two numbers are tallying. So I have done in multiple method and second one in prime factorization method. Now I will be doing the same problem with division method. (24), 48 and 72. This is called division method. This method is called division method. So you have to divide with prime number. The lowest prime number is 2. So you are dividing 24 with 2. So you are getting 12. 48, 24 and this is 36. Again 2 6 ja 12, 2 12 ja, 2 18 ja. 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12, 2 9 ja. Again 2, this 3 is not divisible by 2. So you needed to write 3 as it is. 2 3 ja 6 and this 9 also is not divisible with 3. Now no number is divisible by 2. So you will be going to another next prime number. So next prime number after 2 is 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3. So you see, you needed to divide it until unless you get 1. Now you will be writing like this. How many times 2 has come? 4 times. And how many times 3 has come? 2 times. Multiply it. 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, 3 ja 48, 3 ja 144. Cross check it. 3 3 ja 9, 2 ja 18, 2 ja 36, 72, 2 ja 144. The same answer I am getting. Whatever method you do, you will be getting the same answer. I hope you have understood LCM method. If you are having any problem, kindly let me know by writing in the comment section. Thank you, beta.